Hey guys, thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. This is Richard Ogachi, registered nurse, and thank you for supporting me. Thank you for the views, guys. Today's subject, I'm gonna talk about wealth and money. Of course, money doesn't bring happiness, but it's the only thing that everyone keeps track of. So you can imagine how important that is. You know how that important is. You know how much you need that amount of money. You know how much you need to get more control on your life, on your situations, But when you look back at history, when you study Stoicism, Stoicism is it was studied. There are people who lived many thousands of years ago. Their mindset and what they believed in, what life was, and everything that they created a kind of influence, different kind of influence. And it happened that they put down their lives, how they lived their life, how life was hard then, and how life was even easy then. So we try to compare it with what we have now, and then also see how better you can be in a better situation. You can be in a you can be in a better position to change your life, to do something differently, and of course get ahead. So when you study Stoics and Stoicism, Epictetus said that you need to tear down your wants. You need to get to a point where you don't need anything. Because when you have wants and more wants, that's when now you want control. You want to be in a position where you want many things, and that causes a lot of anxiety, a lot of dissatisfaction, a lot of distress, depression, because you want this, you want that, you want the other thing. When you get the first thing that you really were focused to get, you start focusing on something else that was absolutely not in the picture. So he says that if what you need to do is to tear down and have no wants, or at least have less wants. There's those things that you really want, and most of them, by the way, I think they are not even very necessary, but we always want some things because we see other people have them. So you put yourself in a situation where you are distressed that way, you are anxious that way, you think you are disenfranchised because you don't have what you think you deserve. You wanting some things that you deserve is a disservice to yourself. Because I think also, like personally, I don't think anybody deserves anything, but you earn what you get, you earn what you deserve. He said, Epictetus, that you need to tear down your wants. You don't get rich by acquiring things. You don't get rich by acquiring stuff. You get rich by rendering control. Give up control. You get to a point where you don't need anything. You don't need anything. Like, there's no expectation from anyone, that you have expectation from somebody or some people that you live with or you have connected with. You want some kind of control. Is how you get distressed. Is how it's stressing you up because they are not doing things or the way you want things done. That's what is distressing you. So you give away control. Give away control. Don't acquire things. Have less or no wants. You tear down your want list. you experience happiness you've never seen in your life. Give away control, that you want things to happen and be done this way, that way. So you have pressure towards getting those things, because you turmoil, distress, because that's how you want control. So give away control, and you get yourself to a situation where you don't want anything. Whatever you think you want, get yourself to a situation where you don't need anything. And that's the essence of giving away control. And that's what Stoics said about living a good life and being rich. They don't really deem getting rich as having a lot of money or having a lot of wants. They narrow down to getting rich as having teared down your want list, and you get yourself to a point where you don't need anything. Thank you so much for watching my videos on YouTube, guys. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Please continue subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye, guys. Thank you.